Guys, Northwestern Sportsman here, back with another video. Today, me and the family are heading out to Eagle Ridge Trout Ponds. It's a pond I've never fished before, but I'm pretty sure there's smallmouth bass, rainbow trout obviously, and I think perch too. We're going to try and get my sister Kate here to catch her very first fish. She's never caught a fish before. I'm just using my Daiwa rod and reel combo, 7-foot, and then I think it's a medium action rod. And then just going to be throwing a bunch of different types of baits. I might actually do like a micro challenge because I got a Rebel teeny wee craw and Rebel grasshopper thing. I might throw those, but anyway, I will catch you when we get to the pond. Come on. Yeah.
Said he could do this all day? Yeah? I think there's a rock bass.
No, but he would know. He knows all of this.
Nice little bass.
He's going for it.
Oh!
Got my worm. Well, I just caught that guy there and then hooked onto a big one and lost him. But I'm going to try another dock on the other side of the pond and see what I can do there.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, nice one.
Well, some ducks are. The diver duck is really good. Oh, no. The perch. Look at the size of the perch. Is it a perch, Cam?
No.
Oh, no. Okay. He's a good shot.
Best one of the day. Still a pretty small one, but really nice looking fish. Anyway, guys, it is the next day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't have time to film my outro yesterday, but I didn't end up catching any rainbow trout or perch or anything, just a bunch of those little rock bass that you saw me catch in the video. I'm planning on going back to that pond sometime this summer for sure, maybe even in the near future, and also planning on doing a catch and cook suckerfish video. So stay tuned if you are interested in those two things, and hopefully you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.